Welcome to ASC International and the AP500 solder paste inspection system. The system has a very intuitive user interface that allows the operator to simply collect data and create criteria that give you pass-fail analysis. This is accomplished through a full motion table that steps through a user-created script of sites and shows you at the end of the data collection if the board has passed or failed based on custom criteria. The custom criteria can be set up by creating a board, setting up the custom pass-fail and three-dimensional views, and here we see the operator creating custom data tags that include work order number, line number. They are fully customizable. You can even create a serial number barcode for the board, and this will travel with the data. Here the operator is selecting the proper Gerber file for this board, adding it to the script, and now the operator can go ahead with programming the script from a Gerber file. The system is placed in Gerber file programming mode, one at a time. The fiducials are selected and added to the script. You can either add sites and locations from the large Gerber file view, as we see here in the upper right, or you can zoom in to the field of view size of the system and create each individual site and location using the prescribed field of view size. You simply drag and drop a box around the pads that you want to set into the script. The system turns them pink to show you they're prepared for entry into the script. When you enter them into the script, they turn green. The operator takes the system out of Gerber file programming mode and has the option of renaming each site to a component name so that your data collection will show the component name and the locations of each component and make it a little easier for your data analysis. Here the operator is naming the first site QFP1 and the second site BGA2, and again this information will travel as part of the data and show your passes, fails, and statistics with that name on it. There's a failure analysis routine that allows the operator to go back and look at each of the failed locations and the historical overhead view and data, as well as the three-dimensional view. This allows you not only the statistical analysis capability, but it allows you to look at the three-dimensional and look at the qualitative analysis of your print. As each site is done, corrective actions are able to be entered, and the corrective action travels with that failed site in the data as a data tag to accomplish true process control. The system also allows you to have fully customizable bar graphs that give you CP and CPK analysis, as well as point graphs that show you that your process is staying within limits. As a point is selected on the point chart, you can see the statistics for that point of data collection. The intuitive interface in the upper left shows you the live overhead view, bottom left 3D view, bottom right, the Gerber file, and it is updated with red and green for pass-fail for each of the pads. And the upper right is your charting and SPC analysis. That is the AP500 solder paste inspection system from ASC International. 763-479-6210.